Hi guys, this is Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Everyday Kenya. If you have done, thank you so much. If you have not, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. You'll be the first one to get our new videos when we upload. Today guys, I want to show you how to make samosas at home. It's a snack. Watu wengi ukimbia kwa hoteli kununua samosa 2-3, but let me tell you, you can make at home. So guys, let me take you through my ingredients. I have minced meat, kiwango yenye unataka. I have 3 onions here, nicely cut. I have garam masala, half teaspoon. Paprika, half teaspoon. Curry powder, half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Coriander powder, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, half teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I have some few spring onions and 2 green chilies. Green chilies, it's optional if you want spicy samosas. I have 3 cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger. I have 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and some few leaves of coriander leaves. We'll start by cooking our minced meat. Cooking oil. You wait the pan to be hot. When your pan is hot, you put the minced meat. Utaipika hadi change color. You can see it's changing color. I'm going to put my paste. Then cook kidogo tu. Time for the spices. Make sure you stir properly so the spices goes everywhere. Time we are going to put the onions. We are putting late because we don't want the onion to cook so much. Coriander. Coriander you put when you are making it, it's already cooked. Hatutaki ive sana. Spring onion and the chili. And it is done. Now we want to make samosa sheets. The way I've made my unga, the dough, please check in the description box. I've left it there. So you need like this. The first one, I'm going to roll big one. Only the first one. Don't worry about the shapes. Like that. Then I'm going to take some oil. To spread it. Then you take like that. The reason is, you know, we are going to put on top. When we roll, we put on top like that. The reason we are putting like that, we don't want it to stick. Then you set aside. Just like the one we did the first one, you do so, but this one we are going to make a bit small. Then you put on top of the first one, sprinkle some flour. Then you are going to do the rest, all of them like that. I'm making my last sheet. Then I'm going to show you how we are going to do it. Don't forget to do like this. If you forget, your sheets are going to stick. They're not going to come. Sprinkle some flour. The last one you're going to put a lot. Then we are going to make one like that. This one here you do pole pole. Then we are going to flip it. And continue spreading. This is the size of my pan. Now it's time to put. Like so. When the other one side is cooked, not like that cooked so much, when it is dry a bit, then you flip it. Mine is done. I want to flip it. We are going to separate our sheets. Carefully, it's very hot. This one you do slowly, otherwise you are going to spoil it. It should look like this, very thin. Don't worry when you remove. This is the last one, always a waste but not waste. I'm going to show you how we are going to do with it. And your sheets should look like this, transparent. Then you're going to arrange it. We want to remove the ends, they are a bit dry, so we are going to cut. And this is not waste, don't throw them. Tutakuonesha kenye tutamake nayo. Remove all the dry ends. Should look neat like this. After you have cut your ends, I'm going to measure with this one. Then I'm going to put a mark. Then you come this side. And you cut where you have put the mark. You put aside. You just leave your paper there. Put a mark. And here you have your sheets. Like that. Now it's time to fill the samosas. Let me show you how I fold. You take this side like that. I'm gonna put paste. It's all peppers and water. Help to close samosas vizuri sana. Then you take this side to the end of this. Then you put paste. Usipake paste mingi, ile tu ya kushikilia ufunge. Like this, and you fill. You can fill with kijiko, mkono. Make sure you put enough meat. Ndio watu wako wakikula wana enjoy. Like that. Then this part we are going also to put some paste. And then we close the samosa. We have finished folding the samosas. Time to fry them. You need hot oil. You take one. You put pole. Remember, hot oil. Turn them. Don't burn them. When they turn golden brown, they are ready. After they turn, you remove, put paper towel on your plate. It will absorb the oil. Nicely done. Then we are going to cook the rest like that. You remember, I told you this is not the waste. This time your family is going to enjoy. This thing you get in Chinese restaurants, we are going to fry it. Itakuwa very nice. Remember, don't burn your samosas. I have removed them. Naziweka kwa mafuta. Kids will really enjoy this one. You see, I'm frying the one I was calling waste, though it was not waste. Kids will enjoy this one. So when you make samosa, don't throw. So guys, you have seen the snack is ready to enjoy. And this one, the one we have cut sides and the rejects ones, not waste. Kid will enjoy. Very nice. Thank you so much for those who have watched my video. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Bye. See you next week, episode 15. See ya.